In 2013, Google shut down a product millions of people loved. It wasn't broken, it wasn't failing, and it wasn't replaced. Google killed it anyway. And the reason why explains how Google really makes decisions. For years, Google Reader was the center of the internet for power users. It was simple, fast, reliable. People used it to follow news, blogs, and entire industries in real time. Reader didn't go down, it didn't get slower, and it didn't lose its core audience. In fact, for the people who used it, Google Reader wasn't just a product, it was infrastructure. In March 2013, Google announced it would shut Google Reader down. The explanation was short: low usage, declining engagement, a shift in focus. To users, this made no sense. Reader felt alive, active, essential. But Google wasn't looking at Reader the same way users were. From the outside, the decision looked irrational. Reader had loyal users, no serious competitors, minimal operating costs. There was no scandal, no technical failure. So why kill a product that worked? The answer wasn't about Reader. It was about Google. Google made a much bigger decision, quietly, years earlier. They decided to stop building products for power users. Instead, Google began optimizing for massive-scale passive engagement and advertising leverage. Google Reader didn't fit that future. It didn't generate meaningful ad data. It didn't keep users scrolling, and it didn't lock people into an ecosystem. Reader was efficient, and efficiency was no longer the goal. From Google's perspective, the decision was logical. Reader didn't scale, virally, didn't monetize, naturally, didn't increase ad inventory. Google wasn't optimizing for love, it was optimizing for leverage. Every product had to justify its existence inside a system built around data and ads. Reader couldn't. So Google walked away. For users, the shutdown felt personal. Google had encouraged people to rely on Reader, to organize their information around it. When it disappeared, there was no direct replacement. Trust was damaged. Power users learned an uncomfortable lesson. Being valuable as a user doesn't mean being valuable as a metric. Google Reader wasn't an exception, it was a preview. Google would later shut down Google+, Inbox, Hangouts, Stadia. Different products, same logic. If it didn't scale massively, it didn't survive. Google didn't kill its best product because it failed. It killed it because it no longer fit the system. The best product isn't always the one a company wants to keep. Companies don't optimize for love. They optimize for leverage. Google Reader worked. But working wasn't enough. This is the Decision Room Media.